In this video, I'll be showing the basics of the Pigeon site builder and CMS. The first thing you see is your landing page. Depending on whether you've selected an empty site or a template, you might see either almost no content or a few pages and modules that have been pre-populated with some of our imagery. I will be recording separate tutorials for Website Essentials and Menu and Navigation. Just know that these are your basic site settings and concerned with elements that are permanent on your website. And right below you can see your pages. The first one being the home page. This page is always there, as it's the landing page for your website. It's what every user sees, and it's always called home. Right now you'll notice that the preview button is grayed out. That's simply because in an empty site, there's nothing to preview yet. So let's add some content. The first thing you should know is that the websites are split into pages and modules. So once you click on a page, you can see the pages section. Here you can add modules. So this button allows you to add a header module, for example. And let's say we wanted to preview this right away. The first thing I would do is go back to your pages edit section. You can now select preview. Preview will open your site in a tab in most browsers. I find it easier to take this tab and drag it into a new window next to the CMS. And then I can edit the site and see all the changes I make in real time, which is a very handy feature for experimenting around with your site. You will notice that there's a pink outline around this header module I've added. And the homepage also has a pink outline. A pink outline indicates that changes have been made recently which haven't been published. While you haven't published your site yet, that doesn't matter so much, but later on it's useful to know when you've made an edit somewhere that isn't public yet. I will add some text to this header. I'll call it home. You can see the change has shown up right away. If I now wanted to add a page to my site, I would do this with the plus button. Let's call it about. And I will add a module to that as well. Maybe another header with a text overlay. If I wanted to rename this header, I can just click on it and call it about. Give it some text here, also saying about. And then I can preview this page directly, which would open another window. I can drag that in here. Now you can see the about page here. Or if I wanted to, I could add a navigation item. Here you can see a list of all your pages and modules. So I can add a link to the about page, and I can call this anything I like. But in this case, I will type in about as well. And you will now see a navigation item up here, which lets me go to the about page or the home page. These are the very basics of the CMS, and I will go into more advanced functionality in other tutorials.